Your 20s are not your fun decade. They're your positioning decade. Right now, people around you are upgrading phones they don't need, financing cars they can't afford, and promising themselves they'll get serious about money later. Later is expensive.
Most people don't struggle financially because they're lazy. They struggle because they misunderstand timing.
In your 20s, small decisions don't stay small. They compound, either for you or against you. What you buy now determines whether your 30s feel powerful or pressured. Here are 7 purchases that can completely change your financial trajectory if you approach them correctly.
Number 1. Buy income, not just things. Your first serious purchase shouldn't be a status symbol. It should be income capacity.
Yes, it may require money up front, but there's a difference between spending and investing. Spending makes you feel rich. Investing makes you become rich.
Your 20s are the best time to take calculated risks because your responsibilities are usually lower. If something fails, you recover quickly. If something succeeds, it changes your life. Build around your strengths. Don't chase trends. Build leverage.
Number 2. Buy time through investing. Time is your biggest unfair advantage in your 20s. Start investing early, even small amounts, into diversified, long-term assets. The goal isn't excitement, it's momentum. When you invest consistently and let it compound, you're not just growing money, you're buying future freedom. Automate it. Forget it. Let time work.
Number 3. Buy perspective. Travel, when done intentionally, builds confidence, adaptability, and emotional intelligence.
It forces you to navigate uncertainty, to solve problems, to interact with different people and environments.
That growth increases your value, personally and professionally. Travel shouldn't put you in debt. It should expand your worldview.
Number 4. Buy knowledge that pays. Your brain absorbs faster in your 20s than it ever will again. Learn high-income skills: communication, sales, marketing, finance, technology, trades, systems thinking. A single powerful skill can permanently increase your earning ceiling. Be selective, avoid hype. Invest in real, applicable knowledge. If it increases your income potential, it's not an expense, it's leverage. Number 5. Buy assets early if you can structure it wisely. Assets generate value, liabilities consume it.
If you can strategically enter into asset ownership, whether that's property, equity, or a cash-flowing investment, you begin shifting from earning money to owning money.
But it must be structured intelligently, not emotionally. The goal isn't ownership for status. The goal is ownership for leverage.
Number 6. Buy reliable transportation, not ego. Transportation is a tool. Most people turn it into identity.
Expensive car payments reduce flexibility, and flexibility is power in your 20s. A reliable, practical vehicle keeps your mobility high and your financial pressure low.
The real cost of an expensive car isn't just the price tag, it's the opportunity cost of what that money could have become.
Number 7. Buy your health before you're forced to. Energy is an economic advantage.
Poor sleep, poor nutrition, and constant stress reduce decision-making quality, focus, and productivity. Your body forgives you in your 20s. It charges you later.
Strength, sleep, and mental clarity are not luxuries. They're performance infrastructure. You cannot build long-term wealth with short-term self-destruction.
Here's what ties all 7 together. They reinforce each other. Skills increase income. Income funds investments. Investments reduce stress. Reduced stress improves health. Good health fuels productivity. Productivity increases income again.
It's a system. Most people optimize for appearance. Smart people optimize for trajectory. Your 20s are not about looking successful. They're about positioning yourself so that by 35, you have options.
And the hardest part isn't the money. It's being different. Driving the simple car. Investing when others spend. Building when others celebrate.
But 10 years from now, you won't regret discipline. You'll regret delay.
Start with one smart purchase today, because compound decisions work exactly like compound interest. They don't look powerful in the beginning until they are.